Hi, my name is Mary Patterson, and I'm a Senior Content Specialist here at the Bill of Rights Institute. I'm excited to introduce you to the new features on our desktop site, mybri.org, and to introduce you to our new mobile app. This demonstration will show you how to use these new features whether you're in the classroom or on the go. Let's check it out. We'll start by exploring the new features on the desktop site, mybri.org. The first thing you need to do is sign in. To create a free account, all you need is your email. Be sure to check that you are an educator. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in. You can explore our primary sources, lessons, videos by going to the Resource tab, or what I would recommend is using the search bar up here. You can enter your search terms and you can narrow your search by content type, so essays, lessons, videos, podcasts, duration, grade level, topic, founding principle, and more. If you find something that you like, go ahead and click on this plus sign. You can save the resource to your library, which is just like bookmarking all of your favorite resources. Add it to a playlist, which just like it sounds, is a way for you to organize all of your favorite resources. I like to give mine fun titles. Or you can add it to an assignment. Adding an assignment is a new essential feature on our site. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to use the search function to look for something on Letter from Birmingham Jail. I'm going to narrow my results. I am looking for primary sources and videos. So here's the primary source. I want to add this to an assignment. So you can see I've already created some assignments here, but I'm going to go ahead and click Create New, give it a title. So I'm just going to call it Letter from Birmingham. If you'd like, you can add a summary and instructions here for your students and then click Save. Perfect. And here it is. Now, the cool thing about the assignments is that you can add to them. So I'm going to go ahead here and click Add. I could add something from outside of BRI. So if you have something, a website or anything on the Letter from Birmingham Jail that you wanted to put into your assignment, you can do that here. But I want to add that video that I saw. So I'm going to go ahead and click Add from the library. I'm going to search Letter from Birmingham once again, and here it is. It's this video. It's the new primary source essentials. I want to add this to my assignment. So I need to find Letter from Birmingham Jail. Perfect. So now I have an assignment that consists of the primary source and the video. If I want to share this with my students, I can click Share, and I'm given a URL code or a QR code to share with my classroom. The next new feature that I want to show you are self-checks. Self-checks are a treasure trove of scholar-reviewed multiple choice and short answer questions that you can attach to your assignments. Let's check this out. So I've clicked on my profile and I'm going to go back down to my assignments. And here is one from Life, Liberty, and the Pursuit of Happiness. It's a reading on Native people in North America before the arrival of the Europeans. I've already created this assignment and I'm going to click Add Self-Check. So here it's going to populate with all of the multiple choice and short answer questions that go with this reading. If you want to preview any of these questions, you can go ahead and click on it and it will show you what the question consists of. So I'm going to add a few of these multiple choice questions, and I also want to add these two short answer questions to my assignment. So I'm going to select them and click Add Questions. It gives me a confirmation page. I could reorder them if I wanted to. I'm going to hit Create Self-Check. Now, this is super cool. You can download these questions as a CSV, Excel, or QTI file. Doing this will give you the answer key, and it's also easier if you want to put it into your own assessment or if you want to copy a question and use as a warm-up, you can do that as well. One final note on the self-checks. Students can answer the questions when they're using the app, but the site does not record any of their data. It does not record their answers. Now that we've made some assignments, we can build a course. I'm back on my profile page, which you can always get to by clicking on your initials, and I'm going to go ahead and go to Courses. I've already built out a few courses, as you can see, but we're going to go ahead and create a new course. And we're going to select this Letter from Birmingham assignment that we created and Brown versus Board of Education video assignment that I built out. I'm going to give my course a name. You can make courses as big or as small as you want to. In my head, I kind of like to organize them by unit, but it's really up to you. Again, summary instructions, if you want to add those for your students. Your course has been created. So my civil rights course contains these two things, and I can share it in the same way that I would share an assignment. I can give students this URL. I can post this to my LMS. I can also offer them this QR code. I'm back on my profile page. If you want, you can create a section of a course. This is a way to give different due dates to courses if you have different class periods that are looking at the same sources. Congratulations! You have built out some assignments, added self-checks, and created a course. But what if you're on the go and need to make some adjustments? Let's take a look at how this looks in our new free BRI mobile app. This app is available for download for both iPhone and Android. I've downloaded the free BRI app onto my cell phone and have logged in using the same username and password that I use for the desktop site. Let's say I'm at my son's soccer game and I need to look for some resources on Brown versus Board of Education. I can use the same search bar function in the top right that I use on the desktop site. I found what I need, a video that will give my students a good overview of this landmark case. I'm going to use the plus sign to add it to a new assignment, just as I would on the desktop site. I'll hit Create New, give it a title, and save. Here it is. I can click Share, just like on the desktop version, and I'm given a URL and QR code to post to share with my students. Once your students download the app and create a free login with their email, they'll have access to any assignment you share with them through the site or the app. They're always given an option to download assignments, so they'll be available whether or not they have access to Wi-Fi. If they have their phone, they have their assignment, no excuses. Stay tuned for another video that will walk you through the student view of the app. I hope you'll spend some time exploring these new features. We're really excited for you to use them and let us know how they're helping in your classroom. Thanks for all that you do, and until next time, take care.